That is in chemistry time, this represents the forest. Mira, Gilda, Bahai, Mira, Tuesday. If you have one with a fire, you can't keep them reality. As you say, and the blood. Jadi nama saya dan saya I can after me. This is the music if you have it. But you get the good macam pun you got to know the love. You booze, music and the kata semua sad. Seperti nak nak so sad, sad. Apa yang kita selesai boleh kena sikit yang kurang. Ya, saya orang rumah tercium. Know that.
You give me this shit up in split fun. I got mine, motherfuckers. Yeah, man. But your style different.
Yang dia cross with years. Because of years.
So
makes the music that is.
So you feel say your music can be a popular music in Jamaica, like the other popular artists out there. Can your music have an impact on young people?
Well, really the fortunate. I think so. Because once we not only do music, study music, we know that there are things in the music where no people not touch them access there, you know. So, I plan to know say, yo, we want to touch some of these aspects and know say, yo, yes, I carry on Jamaican music, the new tradition on top of it, you know. Yeah. I know say, yo, the matter about it. Entertainment is like a fortune teller. It's not only entertain, it's teach. To teach people a lot of things in the music. Not only the nice vibes and smoke eating, isn't it?
Yeah, man, powerful words, powerful message. You are going. A lot of artists out here, and enough for them now, no visa and all of these things. And buckling to rhythm out here. You get me? So, I don't know. What do you think about these artists? What do them think at Jamaica, but them to the international level? What do you think about that?
Well, we need to fight tonight, you know. But the fight tonight I win. The bigger is going on the music, isn't it? Then they go ahead. But yet still, them myself, yes, Movada and Cartel and all them big artists there, what them put out there to do, what them want to do. You see me? After they know, say, yo, yeah, then get them break. Yeah, hear Movada sing rap music. You hear Cartel a rapping and sound there. I don't rap. You see me? Every day and night, know these things, free these things. I rap or rapping up. But our culture was said, you see me? Reggae music. So let us deliver to them dancehall flavor, the combination. I know so we call it the chemistry music, you see me? And that's how we have it. We are mixed it with the QY production, and we call it QK production. So I believe these things, you know, Google it. Yeah, man, I see what pop up, chemistry music, QY, or QY production. You see me? DJ that talk to you, they must talk about the other DJ in the world. DJ 8760, you see me? You know these things, chemistry music. Yeah, man, that's my other word, you know?
Yeah, these words. Yeah, man, yeah, them in mind. Know these things and pre these things. You know, so. Yeah, man. So we are going now. We go go for the first place and go for a flight international. You know, so I'm not going to leave with the inspirational song.